Hello students, in this video we'll see how to solve the 0 by 1 knapsack problem using dynamic programming approach. Okay, there are 4 items I1, I2, I2, I3 and I4 whose weight is 2, 1, 4 and 5 and the value of each item is 10, 20, 30 and 35. The weight of the total weight of the sack is going to be 5. Okay, we know that is the knapsack problem is nothing but you are going to fill the sack with the items such that the total capacity of the sack should not get exceeded. Okay, 0 by 1 meaning that is either you have to put the whole item or you have to just discard the items. Okay, there are 4 items, so we will fill this row wise 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 items. Here the total capacity of the sack is 5. So from starting from 0 we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. The formula for filling this table is this one. V of I comma j is equal to maximum of V of I minus 1 comma j or Vj plus V of I minus 1 comma j minus Wi. We are going to calculate this part and this part. We are going to find which one is maximum. If j minus Wi is greater than or equal to 0, if j minus Wi is less than 0, just we have to V of I comma j is equal to V of I minus 1 comma j. Okay. First we will calculate for item 1. Okay, the weight of this item 1 is W1 is equal to weight of this item 1 is 2 and the value of this item 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so we'll write here that is weight W1 is equal to 2 comma V1 equal to 10. Same way W2 is equal to 1 and V2 is equal to 20 and then W3 is equal to 4 and V3 is equal to 30, W4 is equal to 5 and V4 is equal to 35. Okay, so for first item whose weight is 2 and the value of this item is 10. Okay, here first we have to find whether j minus wi is less than 0 or greater than or equal to 0. So here the weight of this item is 2. J value ranges from, here this one is j and this one is our I. Okay, j value ranges from 0 to 5. Here j minus wi we have to check first. Okay, here when j value is wi is 2, so for 0, 1 we will get j minus wi is less than 0. So here for j is equal to before going for this one, we know that is all the 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, all the entries are 0 and this row entries will also be 0, that we have already understood here. So j value ranges from 1 to 5. So for j is equal to 1, j minus wi is equal to 1 minus the weight of this item is 2, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, which is less than 0. Therefore v of I value is, here I value is 1 comma j value is 1. For v of 1 comma 1 is equal to v of for when we are calculating v of 1 comma 1, here j minus wi is less than 0. So v of 1 comma 1 is equal to v of I minus 1 comma j, that is 0 comma 1, that is equal to v of 0 comma 1. We have to see the table 0 comma 1, it is 0. So just put 0 here. Okay, so now we have to compute next v of this entry 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2, for this we have to find which one is maximum, that is v of I minus 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0 comma j value is 2. Okay, this one are v1 value of this item plus capital V of I minus 1, that is 0 comma j minus wi. J minus wi, j is 2 minus the weight is 2 minus 2 0. Okay, this thing we have to find, that is maximum of 0 comma 2. V of 0 comma 2 is 0 or the value of this item is 10 plus v of 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, that is 0. Which one is maximum? 10. So we have to fill 10 here. Okay. Next we have to find what is 1 comma 3 for this maximum of v of I minus 1 or 0 comma j, or the value of this item v1 plus v of here I minus 1. So 0 comma j minus wi. J value is 3 minus wi is 2, 1. Okay. That is maximum of 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 is 0, or the value of this item 10 plus 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. That is 0. Which one is maximum? 10. We'll fill this entry 10 here. Next we have to find 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is equal to maximum of v of I minus 1, that is 0 comma, that is j, that is 4, or v1 plus v of I minus 1, 0 comma j minus wi. J value is 4 minus wi is 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. That is maximum of 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 is 0 comma the value of this item 10 plus 0 comma 2. So 0 comma 2 is 0. So the maximum value is 10. Okay. Next we have to, this is 1 comma 4 is 10. First we have to fill here 1 comma 4 is 10. So finally we have to calculate for 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5, it is maximum of v of I minus 1. So 0 comma j, 5 comma v1 plus capital V of I minus 1. So 0 comma, here it is j minus wi. J value is 5. 5 minus wi is 2, 3. Okay. That is equal to maximum of 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 is 0 comma value of the item 10 plus, that is 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3, that is 0. So it is also 10. So we have to fill 10 here. Okay. Next we have to calculate for item 2. Here the weight of this item 2 is 1 and the value of this item is 20. Okay. Now first we have to find what is j minus wi. That is for j value is equal to 1, it will be 1 minus 1, 0. J minus wi is 0. So for from it is 0 itself for j minus for the first value of j itself. So we have to calculate from v of, this is second row comma 0, 2 comma 0, sorry, from 2 comma 1 itself we have to calculate. For 2 comma 1 it is maximum of, using the formula v of I minus 1 is 1 comma j minus wi. J value is 1, 1 minus wi is 0. Okay. Plus value of the second item plus capital V of that is I minus 1, that is 1 comma j minus wi. J value is 1 comma 1 minus wi is 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. That is equal to maximum of v of 1 comma 0 is, see here, 1 comma 0 is 0. 0 comma the value of this item v2 is 20 plus, next is v of 1 comma 0, that is v of 1 comma 0, that is 0. So the maximum value of this item is 20. Okay. Next v of it is 20. So we have to put 20 here, 1 comma 2, 20. Okay. Next v of 2 comma 2. V of 2 comma 2 is maximum of v of I minus 1. 1 comma j value is 1, sorry, it is 2, j value is 2, comma, here I have done the mistake, we have 1 comma 1, but we have 1 comma 1 is also 0, so no problem. Okay, 1 comma 1 comma v2 plus capital V of, that is I minus 1 is 1 comma j minus wi, j value is 2 minus wi is 1, 1 comma 1. Okay, maximum of 1 comma 2, we have 1 comma 2 is, that is 1 comma 2, that is 10 comma the value of this item 20 plus 1 comma 1. What is 1 comma 1? 1 comma 1 is 0. So which one is maximum? 20. Okay, that is 2 comma 2 is 20. So we have to fill, that is we have 2 comma 2 is 20. Okay, next we have 2 comma 3, that is equal to maximum of, we have I minus 1, that is 1 comma, we have to keep j as it is, plus v2 plus v of I minus 1, that is 1 comma j minus wi, j value is 3 minus wi 1, 2. Okay, it is equal to maximum of, we have 1 comma 3, we have to see the table, 1 comma 3, the entry is 10, so 10 comma the value of this item is 20 plus 1 comma 2. Okay, so next we have to see what is 1 comma 2, that is 10. Okay, so what is the maximum? 10 or 20 plus 10, 30. So the value is 30 here, that is we have 2 comma 3 is 30. Now we have to make the entry 2 comma 3 to be 30. Okay, next v of, we have to find what is v of 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 is equal to maximum of v of I minus 1, that is 1 comma 4j comma v2 plus I minus 1, that is 1 comma j minus wi, j value is 4 minus wi is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, that is equal to maximum of 1 comma 4, value of a first row fourth column 10, 10 comma the value of this item is 20 plus, that is 1 comma 3 next, 1 comma 3, that is 10. So 10 or 20 plus 1, 30, which one is maximum? 30 is maximum, so 30 here, so we have to fill 30 here. Okay, next we have 2 comma 5, here we have to find what is v of I minus 1, that is 1 comma j. Okay, next v2, the value of this item plus v of I minus 1, 1 comma j minus wi, 5 minus 1, 4, that is equal to maximum of 1 comma 5 is 1 comma 5 is 10, 10 comma the value of this item 20 plus 1 comma 4, it is 1 comma 4 is 10, so 20 plus 1 comma 4, that is 10, 10, 30, which one is maximum? 30 is maximum, so 2 comma 5 is 30, we have to fill here 2, 5, the entry should be 30. Okay, next for I have to calculate for item 3, the weight of this item, third item is, weight of the third item is 4 and the value of the third item is 30. Okay, now we have to calculate for this one. Here first we have to know what is j minus wi. Here for j value, here the wi is 4, for j value is equal to 1 or 2 up to 3, we are going to get j minus wi will be lesser than 0. So for v of 3 comma 1, it is v of, based on this formula, when j minus wi is less than 0, just you have to, for v of I comma j is equal to v of I minus 1 comma j. So based on this formula, v of 3 comma 1 is equal to v of 2 comma 1, because the j value is here 1 minus 4 is minus 3, which is less than 0. Okay, so v of 2 comma 1 is here 2, 1, that is 20, just 20 here. Okay, fill this 20 here also, 2, that is for 3, 1, fill this entry here also. Okay, Next, for v of 3 comma 2, it is v of 2 comma 2, because here the j value is 2. 2 minus the weight, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, which is also less than 0. So just v of I comma j is equal to v of I minus 1 comma j. So 2 comma 2, the entry is second row, second column, the entry is 20, just 20 here. So fill this 3 comma 2, the 20, same 20 here. Okay, next v of 3 comma 3, it is also v of, here the j value is 3, j minus wi is 4, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, which is also less than 0. So just v of I minus I comma j is equal to v of I minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2 comma j, 2 comma 3. Okay, v of 2 comma 3, the value of 2 comma 3 is 30, so that is 30 here. So 3 comma 3 is also 30, 3 comma 3 we also, it is the same 30. Okay, now we have to find what is v of 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is maximum of v of I minus 1 comma j, that is 2 comma 4, or the value of this item v3 plus v of I minus 1 is 2 comma j minus wi, j value is 4 minus w 4, 4 minus 4 0. Okay, that is equal to maximum of v of 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 is 30, this is maximum, or the value of this item is 30 plus v of 2 comma 0. Next we have to find out 2 comma 0, that is 0. Okay, so 30 comma 30, which one is maximum? 30 is the maximum. Okay, so just we have to put 30 here also. Okay, next we have to find what is 3 comma 5. v of 3 comma 5, that is equal to maximum of v of I minus 1, that is 2 comma 5, or v3 plus I minus 1, that is 2 comma j minus wi, j value is 5 minus wi is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, that is maximum of 2 comma 5 is 30. Okay, so 30, and then the value of this item 30 plus 2 comma 1. Okay, the entry in second row first column 2 comma 1 is 20. Okay, 20, 30 plus 20, 50, 30, 50, which one is maximum? 50 is maximum. So fill this 50 here. Okay, okay, next we will calculate for item. Up to item 3 we have computed, we have to calculate for item 4. Okay, the weight of this item 4 is 5, and the value is, that is value v4 is equal to 35. Okay, 35. Okay, now first we should calculate what is j minus wi. For values here, the weight of this item is 5. So for values of 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will get for j is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4, we will get j minus wi should be less than 0. So for v of, first we have to calculate what is 5, that is 4 comma 1. Okay, so 4 comma 1 is equal to, here j 1 minus 5 minus 4, that is less than 0. So just v of I minus 1, that is 3 comma 1. v of 3 comma 1 is third row first column, that is 20. So this is 20 here, so we have to put the same 20 here. Okay, next for finding v of 4 comma 2, j value is 2, 2 minus weight is 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, which is also less than 0. So this also should be I minus 1, I is 4, so I minus 1 3 comma j minus wi, that is j value, that is I minus 1 comma j's value is 2, v of 3 comma 2. Okay, third row second column, that is also 20. So put 20 here, fill the same entry in the table also. Okay, next we have to find what is 4 comma 3. Okay, so v of 4 comma 3, Here also j value is 3. 3 minus wi, that is 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2, which is also less than 0. So just we have to put I minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3 comma, the j value is 3. Okay, what is 3 comma 3? 3 comma 3, that is 30. So we have to fill 30 here. The same entry has to be filled in the table also. Okay, next I have to find what is v of 4 comma 4. Here v of, here the value is 5, so j minus wi, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, so it is also less than 0. Just I comma j is equal to I minus 1 comma j. I minus 1 is 3 comma j is 4. What is v of 3 comma 4? 3 4, that is also 30. So fill the same entry in this table also. Okay, next we have to find what is v of 4 comma 5. Here 5 minus 5 is 0. It is not less than 0, so you have to use this formula. Maximum of v of I minus 1, that is 3 comma j. This is maximum, or the value of this item v4 plus v of I minus 1 is 3 comma j minus wi. J value is 5 minus wi, 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, that is maximum of v of 3 comma 5. Third row, fifth column, 50 or v4 is 35 plus 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0 entry is also 0. So which one is maximum? 50, 35. So 50 is maximum. Fill this entry also here. So based on this table, we can justify, that is, we can be able to tell that is the maximum value of the sack after filling this, after solving the 0 bar 1 knapsack problem is 50. Now we have to, so maximum value of the sack is equal to 50. Now we have to find what are the items to be filled. Okay, now 50. This 50 you can see from this table. Okay, here in order to get a capacity of 5, I have to check whether I have to include this item 4 into the sack. If I am going, then for that you have to refer the entry in the previous row. Here also it is 50, here also is 50. The meaning is, after including the item 4 into the sack, the value of the sack doesn't change. That means you need not include item 4 into the sack. Okay, next go to the previous row. Here this 3 comma 5 is 50. Okay, now you have to refer the previous row. It is 30. Here after including the third item into the sack, the value of the sack increases to 50. That means I have to include the third item into the sack. Okay, so what are the items is, I have to include I3 into the sack. Okay, the next I have to refer what is the weight of this item, 4. That means this thing, previous row, 4 columns you have to skip. 1 2 3 4. Okay, that is 20 here. So next you have to check, that is in order to fill the remaining items, I have to refer whether I am going to include this item, that is second item, into the sack. For this I have to refer to the previous row. Here it is a 0. After including this second item into the sack, the value of the sack increases by 20. So I have to include this 20 into my sack. That is I have to include this second item into my sack. So the next item to be included is I2. Okay, here the I2 is of the weight 1. Next you go to the previous row, minus 1 column, it is 0. That means you have included all the items into the sack. Okay, now see here the items that has been included is I2 and I3. Now the value of this item 2 is 20. The value of the item 3 is 30. 20 plus 30, that is 50. We are getting the same. And also the weight of this sack is, there is item 2 is 1. The weight of the item 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. That is the maximum capacity of the sack. So we have filled the sack with the items I2 and I3 with the maximum value of 50 in order to fill the sack. This is the solution to the problem, given knapsack problem. Thank you.